Good morning, room service department. This is Baby speaking. How may I help you?
Yes, hello. I would like to order a meal for breakfast.
Can I get your name and your room number, ma'am?
Sure, I am Sasha and my room number is 204.
What would you like to order?
I would like to have fresh orange juice, 3 pieces of pancakes with butter, then 2 slices of bread with egg, please.
Would you like to white bread, white bread, or milk bread?
I want the white bread.
There be anything else?
No, that's all.
May I repeat your order?
Sure,
Sure. Fresh orange juice, 3 pieces of pancakes with butter, then 2 slices of white bread with egg. Did I get your order right, ma'am?
yes, excellent.
How would you like to settle your account, ma'am? On your account through cash or card? Or we can charge it to your guest account.
I would like to pay it through my card.
May I know what time would you like to serve your food?
Around 8 a.m., please.
Ma'am, your order will be served to your room at 8 o'clock. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Okay, thank you.
Room service. Good morning, Ma'am Shara. Can you give your room service account for me? May I come in?
Yes, please.
Here's your order, ma'am. There's is your fresh orange juice and 3 pieces pancakes with butter and white bread with egg. Where would you like to put your order, ma'am?
You can put it on the table.
Excuse me, ma'am. Is there anything else?
No, thank you.
Is there anything else you need, ma'am?
No, thank you.
Here's your bill, ma'am. Please sign here that you receive your food, ma'am. Thank you and have a nice meal. Thank you. Room service. May I clear your plate, ma'am?
Sure.
How's your food, ma'am?
It was great, especially the pancakes.
That's good, ma'am, to hear that. Anything else you need, ma'am?
No, thank you.
Thank you and have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for your service.
Thank you.